Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Marcella and today we're going to talk about all that you get when you join Avon. So no matter if you join for free, which yes, you can currently join Avon for free. It's October 1st of 2020 and this is going to go on till December, I believe the beginning of December. So make sure you take advantage of that if you're thinking about joining Avon. And then if you're watching this after December 2020, make sure you check the description box down below to see the different ways that you can join Avon. But yes, at the moment you can join for free, and then there's also a $30 kit that you can join with, and with that kit you'll get 5 products along with 11 books to get you started with your business. And so personally, I always tell everybody, sign up with the kit. For 30 bucks, you get so much to really get yourself started with Avon. And so if you want to learn a little bit more about what's in that kit, I'm going to leave a video in the description box down below where I go through the kit and talk about how you use each product, okay? So before I talk about what you get as an Avon representative, I want to ask that you consider subscribing to my channel, as I do come out with new Avon related videos every single week, from tutorials to reviews to training videos such as this one. And go ahead and give this video a like if you know somebody who is in Avon, maybe your mom, a grandma, an aunt, a family friend. Everybody has amazing memories about Avon, and so go ahead and like this video if you have one as well. And so my absolute favorite thing, and remember I said you're going to get everything I talk about, you're going to get it no matter if you sign up for free or with the kit, but one of my favorite things is your free online store. And you can personalize it, you can share it with anybody nationwide, and you're going to receive commission on whatever that person purchases from you. The amazing thing is that, let's say if you know, for example, I live in Michigan, let's say if I have a friend in California that purchases from me $60 worth, I'm going to get a commission based off of that, and my friend from California is going to get her product shipped directly to her. So all I had to do was share a link with her, maybe obviously do some marketing on social media, post on social media, do different things, and yeah, I made a commission based on that sale. So I think it's super cool. You get a free website with Avon. Along with that free website, you get a free digital book. And so let's say if you get started with Avon and you can't afford books, or maybe you just want to do everything digital at the moment, you can always share a digital book that's completely free. So there's a link that you can share and it's completely free, as I just mentioned. So it's kind of like looking at a book, but it's all on your computer or on a laptop. One of my favorite things about being an Avon rep is that we get free training on products, on social media, on how to grow our sales, on how to be a successful Avon representative. So we get a ton of resources as an Avon representative. And so make sure if you do end up joining that you take advantage of that. And I'm gonna leave a couple of groups down in the description box too. There's one special group for Avon representatives, and you're gonna be asked to insert your account number. So you can only join that group if you are an Avon representative. And so once you join, if you're not joined yet, make sure you join that group, and it's from Avon Corporate, and it's where they do all of their training. So again, you want to make sure you join that group. And then we also have, as Avon representatives, a program called Avon U, and so you can find Avon U or Avon University in your Avon backend. And so once you join, you'll be able to find that information as well. Another thing you're going to get is personal support, and this can be from your mentor. So I hope you signed up with a mentor. If you still are on the lookout for a mentor, I would love it if you considered me as a mentor, but please do your research as to who you want your mentor to be. This is somebody who you feel can really help you and guide you, has a track record of success. And so again, do your research, make sure that you mesh well with that person, because this is the person who's going to help you in your Avon journey. And let's say if you didn't sign up with a mentor, no worries at all. Avon has a hotline that you could always call, and there's people at Avon Corporate that can help you. And so I'll go ahead and leave that number down below too, just in case you don't have a mentor. And the thing is, you can always join a ton of Avon groups as well. Everybody is super duper helpful. Any question you have, somebody in the group is going to answer it for you. Also get free marketing tools as Avon representatives that can really help us boost our business. One of them is the virtual try-on tool. And so this is a tool that all representatives have on their online store, and it's a way that you and your customers can color match themselves or see how a lipstick looks on them, eyeshadows looks on them, give yourself a little virtual makeover. It's a super cool way to really get engaged with your customers as well, and so a way that they can explore some of our Avon products. And so make sure that you check out that virtual makeover tool that we all have. We also get access to an app called Avon Now. So, personally, I have a laptop that I work on most of the time, but if I'm not home, I love that I have, the availability of an app that I can access at any point. And so it's free, easy to use, and make sure you download it. One of my favorite things too is we have access to a program called Avon Perks. And so this is a way that you can save on exclusive offers, from movie tickets to washer and dryers to televisions to, I think there's like Sam's Club on there. If you want to create business cards, you can do it on there. If you want to get some Avon merch, you can buy it through there. You get so much on Avon Perks. For example, when my husband and I moved to our new house, we needed a new washer and dryer. So of course, one of the first things I did is I looked through Avon Perks and I got an amazing discount just for being an Avon representative. And so I always tell people, anytime you have to, purchase anything or you just want to buy anything online, make sure you check through Avon Perks first to see if you can get any exclusive deals for being an Avon representative. And then you're also going to get various incentives to really help you jumpstart your sales. For example, as a new Avon representative, you are going to be part of a program called Pathway to Premier. It's an incentive as well, and it's a way for you to earn over $3,000 in your first 8 campaigns as a new Avon representative. I'm going to go ahead and link a video down below where I talk through the program and really explain the program to you, and I give you a couple of goals and a couple of ways to really help yourself get started so you can hopefully earn those $3,000. And then not to mention, you're gonna get amazing perks, amazing goodies, and free gifts. For example, if you sign up as a new representative, you, of course, you're gonna get your commission of 25% if you have at least $40 of sales in your campaign. You're also going to get a $10 credit towards your Avon account. You're going to get a free A-box, which is filled with amazing products. You're going to get a free full-size gift as well. And like I mentioned before, you're going to have access to that Pathway to Premier program. You're also going to have Avon Rewards. And so that's the name of the program, I guess you could say, Avon Rewards. And it's a way that Avon rewards us for our accomplishments as Avon representatives. So the thing is, I think a lot of people think Avon Rewards is only given to people that are, high sellers or high up in the company, but that's not true. Even as a new Avon representative, you are going to get rewarded as well. For example, one of the rewards that you can get is once you get your first $60 online order, Avon's going to give you a free gift. And so it's really cool that Avon is rewarding even when you start off as a new representative. And so that's just some of what you get as a new Avon representative. One of my favorite things is just the community of women that you are a part of, whether it's through your mentor or, like I mentioned, there's a ton of different groups on Facebook where we all help one another. It's just really nice that you feel like you always have women that have your back, men and women, honestly. And it's really cool annually, when you get to go to these conventions, you're able to meet these people, and it's so cool to make that connection in real life. And so I overall just love Avon. I love the product. I love working with other people in leadership. And so again, if you are looking for a mentor, I'm going to go ahead and leave my sign up link down below. And if you have any questions, guys, please leave them down below in the comment section, or you can also find my email in the description box down below and we can talk there too. But thank you guys again so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.